In this video, I will show you how to connect Namecheap domain to Wix website. In order to do that, go to your namecheap.com and then look in here for the domain that you want to connect. For example, let's look for the Tiara store. Now, first things first, you need to buy a domain before you actually connect it. So we have in here some domain suggestions that will load right there. We have tiara.store, tiarastore.org, and everything right here. So for example, let's choose in here this tiarastore.io. Click on this add to cart. And then after that, once it's been added, you can head over and click on this checkout option in order to check it out. Now, once you have buy the domain, head over to your Wix. Then from in there, click on this connect domain option. Now this will open in here a new page. And then from in here, just put in here the option for the domain that you own. So search for the domain that you have chosen from Namecheap. And then after that, as you can see, it's not available. So you can see available extension and then connect it through the domain. So if you already have a domain that you own, you can head over to your settings. And then from there, scroll down and click on this domain. And then after that, make sure to click on the domain that you own. After you have done that and then connected the both, you should be able to use your domain and replace the domain given to you by Wix.